have all of the ingredients in place for my attempt at recreating a couple of the wonderful dishes I had earlier this week at the show kitchen here in the Villages. So wish me luck and let's do it. All right, we're getting started with the prep for a couple of the dishes. We're going to start with some of the veggies as well as prepping the shellfish.
We're not going to saute and caramelize the garlic. We're gonna sweat them.
Right, here's dish number one from our time at the show kitchen. This is the linguine with clams from the show kitchen. Thank you so much to Executive Chef Scott Copeland. And yeah, now this is from the show kitchen to my kitchen. Can't wait to dig in here in just a minute. Okay, here's dish number two from the show kitchen, made in my kitchen. This is the oyster chowder with smoked bacon. Thanks again, Scott. We appreciate it, and we're looking forward to a great Sunday dinner.